Well, here's my old friend Radoslaw from Poland. He's the product manager for Timbery in Europe. What is Timbery?
Timbery is a company who started activity in Europe 2 years ago.
And making these entry-level saw machines.
Yes, we make entry-level sawmills as well as edgers.
Edgers, we have an edger here, right? And all petrol and electric driven.
Yes, there are a few different models available in our offer. We can have the sawmills with gasoline engines, 9 horsepower and 14 horsepower, and also electric motors.
And what's the biggest log you can do?
The biggest diameter we can cut is 66 centimeters. The widest board 55 centimeters.
And the length can be anything, because you can build a longer bed if you need.
Yes, you can extend the cutting length as you wish, adding additional bed sections.
Okay, Radek, thank you very much.
Thank you.